Good morning, dear students. In previous class, we started some of the numerical problems based on depression of freezing point, and we solved two problems, and we also know the some of the formulas to used in the calculation of molar mass or freezing point of solution or freezing point of the solvent is based on depression of freezing points are also known. Then next problem is 45 questions are completed. Next is 46th question. A solution containing a solution containing 18 gram of non-volatile non-electrolyte solute is dissolved in dissolved in 200 gram of water freezes at 272.07 Kelvin. Calculate the molar mass of the solute. Calculate the molar mass of solute. Here given data are Kf for water is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole and Tf naught freezing point of water is 273 Kelvin. These are the given data. From this, there are some of the given data in this problem. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 18 gram of non-volatile non-electrolyte means the solute neither associate nor dissociate and its want of factor is equal to 1. 18 gram of non-volatile non-electrolyte solute is dissolved in 200 gram of water freezes at 272.07. 200 gram of water ದಲ್ಲಿ 18 gram ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ non-volatile solute dissolve ಮಾಡಿದೆ, it freezes at 272.07 gram. Calculate the molar mass of the solute and Kf for water is also given and freezing point of pure water is also given, that is 273. First we have to write the given data. Wb is given, that is 18 gram. Then Wa is also given 200 gram. Then Kf is given for water 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Tf naught is also given 273 Kelvin. Here Tf. Tf is 272.07 Kelvin. From these two data, delta TF is calculated. TF naught minus TF, this is equal to 273 minus 272.07, this is equal to 0.93 Kelvin. This is the depression of freezing point. Depression of freezing point. Then KF is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. This is for water, and molar mass of non-volatile solute is to be calculated, and from a direct relation MB is equal to KF into WB into 1000 divided by delta TF into WA. Substituting the values in this equation, KF is 1.86 into WB is 18 gram into 1000 divided by delta TF is 0.93, WA is 200, and the final answer for this is 180 gram per mole. Molar mass of non-volatile non-electrolyte solute is 180 gram per mole. 5. This is 10 into 18, that is 180. 46 is completed. Next is 47th problem. 15 gram of unknown substance was dissolved in 450 gram of water. The resulting solution was found to freeze at minus 0.34 degrees Celsius. Calculate the molar mass of substance. Here Kf for water is also given, that is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole, and Tf naught is 273 Kelvin. These are the given datas. In this problem, here 15 gram of unknown substance was dissolved in 450 gram of water. WB in panther 15 gram kotara, WA is 450 gram, that is water, and resulting solution was found to freeze at minus 0.34 degrees Celsius, that is converted into Kelvin by adding 273. 273 add ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Kelvin ದಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. And delta TF naught is also given, that is the freezing point of water 273 Kelvin, and Kf for water is also given, and molar mass is calculated. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ಏನೇನದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ WB is equal to 15 gram, WA is equal to 450 gram, then TF naught is 273 Kelvin, TF is minus 0.34 plus 273, that is equal to 272.66 Kelvin. This is the freezing point of the solution, 272.66, and Kf value is, and from these two values we can easily calculate it delta TF, that is depression of freezing point. TF naught minus TF is equal to 273 minus 272.66, this is equal to 0.34 Kelvin. This is the depression of freezing point. Next, Kf value is given. Kf is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Molar mass is to be calculated. Here, therefore, MB is equal to Kf into WB into 1000 divided by delta TF into WA. Substituting the values in this equation, 1.86 into 15 into 1000 divided by delta TF is 0.34 into WA is 450. Therefore, molar mass of substance is 182.35. 182.35 gram per mole. This is the molar mass of unknown substance, that is 182.35 gram per mole. Ilenpa antandre in problems the marks are distributed in 1 marks for formula, 1 mark for substitution of values in the correct substitution of values in the formula, second one is correct result with unit. 3 marks ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಜಿ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, next is 48th question. Calculate the mass of ascorbic acid. Its formula is C6H8O6. This is a vitamin C. to be dissolved in 75 gram of acetic acid to lower its melting point by 1.5 degree Celsius. Kf for acetic acid is 3.9 Kelvin kg per mole. Carefully observe in this problem. Calculate the mass of ascorbic acid. Its formula is C6H8O6. C6H8O6 is given. Again, mass of ascorbic acid to be dissolved in 75 gram of acetic acid to lower its melting point. Melting point kadime agtaitpa antandre that nothing but freezes. Freezing point decreased by 1.5, that is nothing but delta TF is directly given, that is 1.5 degree Celsius or 1.5 Kelvin temperature, and Kf for acetic acid is given 3.9 Kelvin kg per mole, and the solute is, the name of the solute is known, that is ascorbic acid. It is a vitamin C. It is a vitamin C, and formula is also given, and the molar mass of solute can be easily calculated. Molar mass is given, weight of solvent is given, then depression of freezing point is given, then Kf value is given. From these data, the weight Wb is to be calculated. In this, given datas, delta TF is 1.5 degree Celsius is equal to 1.5 Kelvin, and Kf for acetic acid is 3.9 Kelvin kg per mole. Then Wa is 75 gram. Mb for ascorbic acid is 176 gram per mole. Calculate matter. 6 into 12, 6 into 16 plus 8. The molar mass is 176. Then Wb is calculated from these given data. Now, a relation delta TF is equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 divided by Mb into Wa. Now, when calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು Wb, then this equation is rearranged. Weight of substance is equal to relation convert ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That is Wb is equal to delta TF into Mb, ಇವೆರಡು ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ, Wa divided by Kf into 1000. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಟಿ ಎಫ್ ಈಸ್ 1.5 into molar mass is 176, weight of the solvent is 75 gram divided by Kf is 3.9, into 1000. Therefore, WB is 5.08 gram of ascorbic acid is dissolved in 5.08 gram of ascorbic acid is dissolved in 75 gram of acetic acid to lowers its melting point by 1.5. This much of ascorbic acid or vitamin C is dissolving in 75 gram of water. Acetic acid. ಇಷ್ಟೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಸ್ಕಾರ್ಬಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 75 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರೀಜಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ is lowered or depression of freezing point is 1.5 degree Celsius or Kelvin. Okay. Next question is, a 5% weight by weight aqueous solution of cane sugar has a freezing point of 271 Kelvin. Calculate the freezing point of %, weight by weight aqueous solution of freezing point, 1 minute, delta TF in this problem for a minute. 5% aqueous solution calculate the freezing point of %, weight by weight aqueous solution of cane sugar cane sugar. Given is Kf for water is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole and Tf naught is 273.15 Kelvin. These are the given data. In this problem, calculate the freezing point of 5% weight by weight aqueous solution of cane sugar. Freezing point of solution, we have to calculate the Tf, and Tf naught is given as well as the Kf for water is also given, and 5% weight by weight solution, that means 5 gram of solute, that was cane sugar. Cane sugar was dissolved in 100 gram of the solution, which contains weight of the solute plus weight of the solvent, and the weight of the solvent is 95 gram, and the solvent is aqueous solution, means water. Given datas, %, weight by weight aqueous solution means Wb is 5 gram, Wa is 95 gram. ಎರಡು ಸೇರಿದರೆ WA plus WB is 100 gram. 100 gram of solution ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 gram of cane sugar. Cane sugar means MB, its molar mass 342 gram per mole. Cane sugar molar mass is 342. Its formula is, cane sugar formula C12H22O11, and Kf value is given 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole, and Tf naught is 273.15 Kelvin. Tf is calculated. Now, the calculation of Tf, first we have to calculate the depression of freezing point. Delta Tf ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ first calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Delta Tf is equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 divided by Mb into Wa. From this relation, delta Tf is first calculated, and then the relation delta Tf is equal to Tf naught minus Tf. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Tf naught is given, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Tf ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Kf for water is 1.86 into Wb is 5 gram into 1000 divided by Mb is 342 into 95. Therefore, delta Tf is 0.28 Kelvin is the delta Tf. Now, delta Tf is equal to Tf naught minus Tf. ಈ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಗೊತ್ತದ. Tf ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Therefore, Tf is equal to Tf naught minus delta Tf. This is equal to 273.15 minus 0.28. Therefore, Tf freezing point of the solution is 272.87. 272.87 Kelvin is the freezing point of the solution when 5% weight by weight aqueous solution of cane sugar, its freezing point is 272.87. ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರೀಜಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಾರ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದ ಫ್ರೀಜಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5% weight by weight aqueous solution of cane sugar, that is 272.87. Next 50th question is 45 gram of ethylene glycol its formula is C2H6O2 CH2OH CH2OH is mixed with (600 gram) of water. Calculate A, the freezing point depression. Freezing point depression. B is the freezing point of solution. This is the question, and given Kf for water is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole and Tf naught is 273.15 Kelvin. These are the given datas. Here they asked two answers. One is freezing point depression, that is nothing but delta Tf. Another one is freezing point of the solution, Tf. Tf not ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, ಒಂದು Tf ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ Tf ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್. ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 45 gram of ethylene glycol, WB is 45 gram, WA is 600 gram, MB ethylene glycol, its molar mass is 62 gram per mole. Because its formula is known. Carbon ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ್ರಿ, 2 ಅದಾವ. 2 into 12 24, 16 into 2 into 12 24, 2 into 16 32 plus 6 into 1 6 2 6. 62 is the molar mass of ethylene glycol. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ethylene glycol means CH2OH. This is a dihydric alcohol ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಫ್ರೀಸ್ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿವಿ ನಾವು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ KF is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole. Tf naught is 273.15 Kelvin. ಟಿ ಎಫ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಟಿ ಎಫ್. These two parameters to be calculated by using these given datas. Now, from a relation delta TF, first delta TF calculation, relation KF into WB into 1000 divided by MB into WA. Substitute the values in this equation. KF is 1.86, WB is 45 gram into 1000 divided by MB is 62 into 600. Therefore, delta TF is equal to delta TF is 2.25 Kelvin. This is the delta TF. Now, I'll calculation madala. Same. Delta TF is equal to TF naught minus TF. Therefore, TF is equal to TF naught minus delta TF. Here TF is equal to TF naught value is given, that is 273.15 minus delta TF value is calculated, that is 2.25. Therefore, TF is 270.9. 270.9 is the freezing point of the solution. Freezing point of solution. Just 45 gram of ethylene glycol is mixed with 600 gram of water, and its freezing point is 290.8 Kelvin. And generally this mixture is used as an antifreeze. Antifreeze mixture anteli use ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ in the automobile radiators. ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಟೋಮೊಬೈಲ್ ರೇಡಿಯೇಟರ್ಸ್ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಎಂಜಿನ್ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ. One addition of 0.643 gram of a compound to 50 cm cube of benzene its density is 0.879 gram per cm cube. Lowers the freezing point from 278.66 Kelvin to 278.18 Kelvin. If Kf for benzene is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole. Calculate the molar mass of the compound. Calculate the molar mass of the compound. Here in this problem, addition of 0.643 gram of a compound to 50 cm cube of benzene and its density. ನಮಗೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ from the depression of freezing point relation, weight of the solvent is to be given data, but indirectly they given volume of the solvent and its density, and from these two relations we can calculate the weight. That is, density relation is nothing but mass by volume, and by cross multiplying mass of the solvent is equal to density into volume, directly ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ indirect ಆಗಿ ನಮಗೆ given datas ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. Then lowers the freezing point from 278.66. This is the TF naught, and this is 278.18 Kelvin, that is a TF. Kf for benzene is given 5.12. Calculate the molar mass of the compound. Given datas. Wb is 0.643 gram. Then Wa, that is equal to V into D, volume into density. Volume is 50 into density is 0.879. Therefore, Wa is 43.95 gram. 43.95 gram. Indirectly ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ mass of the solvent ನೀವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. Then Kf for benzene is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole. Tf is equal to, Tf naught is 278.66 Kelvin. Tf is 278.18 Kelvin. From these two, delta Tf is calculated. Tf naught minus Tf. It is 0.48. 0.48 Kelvin is the depression of freezing point. Now, a direct relation MB, molar mass ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. MB is equal to Kf into Wb into 1000 divided by delta Tf into Wa. This is equal to Kf value is 5.12 into Wb is 0.643 into 1000 divided by delta Tf value is 0.48 into Wa is 43.95. Therefore, molar mass of non-volatile solute is 156.1 gram per mole. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲದರೊಳಗೆ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಾಲ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ indirectly they given volume of the solvent as well as density. From these data, first we calculate weight of the solvent and then substitute the values in this relation, and the final answer for this is 156.1 gram per mole. Next is 52. The cryoscopic constant and freezing point of benzene freezing point of benzene is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole and 278.6 Kelvin respectively. At what temperature will 1 molar solution of benzene containing non-electrolyte freeze. Non-electrolyte means I equal to 1 freeze. In this problem, illustration. Cryoscopic constant is nothing but Kf. Abeloscopic constant is nothing but Kb. Kb is nothing but ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ abeloscopic constant ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ, ಅಥವಾ ಮೋಲಾಲ್ ಎಲಿವೇಶನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರ, ಅಥವಾ ಎಲಿವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ the cryoscopic constant and freezing point of benzene is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole and 278.6 Kelvin respectively. Cryoscopic constant is nothing but molar elevation molar depression constant, that is Kf. 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole. Then matthen kotra nodri, molality of the solution is 1 m. Molality kotaro 1 molar solution of benzene containing non-electrolyte freeze. Non-electrolyte freeze andre at what temperature 1 molar aqueous solution freeze andre TF calculation ಮಾಡಿ, freezing point of the solution is to be calculated. TF naught is given, that is 278.6 Kelvin, and TF is to be calculated. This is simple problem. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, the depression of freezing point is directly proportional to molality of the solution, and this is delta TF is equal to Kf into m, E relation. Kf is the proportionality constant, that is called cryoscopic constant or molal depression constant ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. And in this delta TF is nothing but TF naught minus TF is equal to Kf into m. Substitute the values in this equation. Delta TF naught is nothing but 278.6 minus TF is equal to 5.12 into 1, because molality is given 1 molal aqueous solution. Therefore, TF is equal to 278.5 minus ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೋಡ್ರಿ 5.12. Therefore, TF is equal to 273.38 Kelvin. This is the 373 point 373 point, this is 6, okay, sorry, this one is 6 means 48. The freezing point of the solution is 273.48 Kelvin. If 1 molar aqueous solution having cryoscopic constant is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole and its freezing point of the pure benzene is 278.6 Kelvin and its freezing point of the solution is 273.48. Last 53 question, last question based on diffraction of freezing point. Two elements A and B form compounds AB2 and AB4 when dissolved in when dissolved in 20 gram of benzene. When dissolved in 20 gram of benzene, comma, one gram of AB2 lowers the freezing point. Lowers the freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin, whereas 1 gram of AB4 lowers it by 1.3 Kelvin. the molar depression constant for benzene is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole. Calculate the atomic masses of A and B. This is a very interesting problem. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 elements A and B ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ AB2 and AB4. 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ A and B. ಅವೆರಡು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ AB2 ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು AB4 ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ 2 compounds are formed by A and B when dissolved in 20 gram of benzene. 1 gram of AB2 compound is dissolving in 20 gram of benzene lowers the freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin. AB2 compound 1 gram 20 gram though dissolve ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ it lowers the freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin. Whereas 1 gram of AB4 dissolving in 20 gram of benzene, it lowers 1.3 Kelvin. 1.3 Kelvin, that means depression of freezing point. 2.3, this is also depression of freezing point. This is AB2. This is AB4. Molar depression constant of benzene is given 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole. Then from these data, molar atomic masses of A and B calculate. Now first ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಗಿವನ್ ಡೇಟಾಸ್ KF is 5.12 Kelvin kg per mole. Then WA is 20 gram. These are the common datas. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 2 ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅವು. AB2 ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 20 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಜೀನ್. 1 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎರಡೂದ್ರೊಳಗೆ 1 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದೆನ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ WB1 ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಗ್ರಾಮ್. WB2 is equal to 1 gram and its delta TF1 is also 2.3 Kelvin for 1 gram of AB2. This is ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ AB2. This is for AB4 and delta TF2 is 1.3 Kelvin. These are the given datas. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ given datas. From this we consider the molar mass of AB2 and molar mass of AB4. ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Now molar mass of AB2 is relation ಏನದು ನೋಡ್ರಿ MB. Let us consider MB1 or MB. MB is equal to KF into WB into 1000 divided by delta TF into WA. Substitute the values. ನೋಡ್ರಿ KF is 5.12 into WB for AB2 1 gram into 1000 divided by delta TF for this is 2.3 into WA is 20 gram. Therefore MB for AB2 compound is it is around 110 0.87 gram per mole. This is numbered as equation 1. ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ equation 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Then let us consider same way. ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೈತಿಲ್ಲ ಹಂಗ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಮಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ AB4 is MB is equal to KF. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಸಿಗ್ನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ 1 into WB2 into 1000 divided by delta TF2 into WA. Substitute the values. 5.12 into that is also 1 gram into 1000 divided by delta TF2 is 1.3 into 20. This is equal to 190.15 gram per mole. Molar mass of AB4 is 196.15. Sorry, 100. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 196.15 ಕೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್. ನಾವು molar mass of AB4 is calculated and molar mass of AB2 is also calculated. Let us consider if A and B are the atomic masses of A and B. Capital A the atomic mass, small a, capital B the atomic mass, small b. Now molar mass of AB4 is in this A ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅದ, B ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ 2 ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ atoms. A plus 2B is equal to how much? 110.87 gram per mole, and it is considered as equation 1. Now similarly molar mass of AB4 ದೊಳಗೆ A ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದ, B ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 4 ಅದ. A plus 4B is equal to 196.15 gram per mole, and it is considered as equation 1. Subtract equation 1 from 2. ಎರಡನೇ equation ದೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದನೇ equation subtract ಮಾಡಿ. Subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. equation 1 ದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ equation 2 subtract ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A get cancel, 2B is equal to 80, 2B equal to 85.28. 85.28 is the value of 2B. From this, therefore, B is equal to, divided by 2 means this is 4, 1, 2, then this is 4, 2, 1 means 9. This is the atomic mass of B. This is the ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 42.64 0.64 gram per ml, gram per mole. Therefore, atomic mass of B is equal to 42.64 gram per mole. This is the atomic mass of B, and this value is substituted in equation 1 or equation 2. 1 ಅಥವಾ 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Substituting the value of B in equation 1. Equation 1 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. A plus 2B value is directly calculate ಮಾಡಿವಿ. 2B is equal to 85.28 is equal to 110.87. Therefore, A is equal to 25.59. And molar mass of, atomic mass of A is, atomic mass of A is equal to 25.59 gram per mole. These are the atomic masses of A and B. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ, A and B forming AB2 and AB4 type of compounds, and these are 1 gram of AB2 is dissolving in 20 gram. It lowers its freezing point by 2.3 Kelvin, and 1 gram of AB4 it is dissolving in 20 gram. It lowers its freezing point by 1.3 Kelvin. Kf value is given, and from these data, first we calculate the molar mass of AB2 as well as molar mass of AB4. Molar mass of AB2 calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, molar mass of AB4 calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. And from these data, let us consider if small a and small b are the atomic masses of capital A and B respectively, and from the molar mass of AB2, A plus 2B ಇವು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಬೈಂಡ್ ಆದ ಇಷ್ಟು ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ಮಾಸ್. ನೀವೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದ್ರನ್ನ ಎರಡೂ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಈ ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, and molar mass of AB4 becomes A plus 4B is equal to 196.15, and from equation 1 and 2, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we will get 2B value, and from this the atomic mass of element B is 42.64 gram per mole, and substituting the value of B in equation 1, we will get atomic mass of element A. This is the very interesting problem, and this completes the numerical problems based on depression of freezing point. In next class we will discuss numerical problems based on osmotic pressure. Thank you.